You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, pass-through rear seat, split bench seat, intermittent wipers. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.